Hi! Hi, everybody. How's everybody doing? What have you guys been up to? I'm sitting outside today. It's beautiful. I love the trees. I have a book. Can you help me find Spot at the wildlife park? Ooh, Spot. And let's see if we see any animals, too. Oh, Spot is visiting the wildlife park with Mom and Dad. Oh, there's his mom and dad. Somebody has a camera. Look at the birds. Which animal should we visit first, Spot? Mom asks. Oh, let's look behind the balloons. What do you see? Oh, look. It's a zebra. You see the zebra? What's up in the trees, Spot? A giraffe. What a long neck. Watch out. There are some silly monkeys here. But wait, where's Spot? That's not him. What's that? A monkey. Did Spot make friends with the penguins? Did the penguins? Shh! Don't wake the polar bear. Shh. Is he in the butterfly house? See all the butterflies? Let's see. Ribbit, ribbit. Spot's not here. What are those? Frogs. Maybe Spot came to see a tiger, says Dad. Oh, let's see. Is he with the tigers? We haven't seen him. Oh, look at the baby tigers. There he is. Where have you been, Spot? I've been making new friends. Can we come back soon? Look at all the animals there. At the monkeys and the butterflies and the birds. All right, this time we're going to do some flashcards. I'll say it and let's see if you can say it. Are you ready? Some different animals. Oh, and you know what? Let's see if you can make the sounds too. Are you ready? Oh, we saw this in the book. Tiger. Tiger. Can you say it? Good. What sound does a tiger make? Oh, we saw him too. A monkey. Monkey, can you say monkey? What sound does a monkey make? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, we didn't see him, but it's a puppy. Can you say puppy? Puppy. What sound does a puppy make? You go, whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, look at him. What is that? Is it a duck? Can you say duck? Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Can you quack like a duck? Oh. What is that? Is that a cow? Can you say cow? Cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo. What animal is that? Horse. Can you say horse? What sound does a horse make? Neigh! Good job. Fish. Fish. Can you say fish? Does the fish make a sound? What's that? A bunny rabbit? Can you say bunny? What sound does a bunny make? Or does he just hop? Can you hop? Hop, hop, hop like a bunny? All right, and this isn't an animal, but it's corn. A lot of them eat corn. Can you say corn? Corn. That's all. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Have a good day.